Today's home is located in the Stonebridge village of Summerlin. It is the model called the Lynn, built by Lennar Homes, where everything is included. And also, it is in Summerlin, so there's a lot of features included, so make sure you stick around for that because it's all coming up. Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at various builder model homes, just like Lennar today, as well as existing inventory, have real estate discussion from time to time, all to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. And if this is the first time you're stopping by and checking out my channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you do enjoy tours like this, make sure you subscribe, smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. And on today's tour, we're going to be up in the Stonebridge village of Summerlin in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to be touring through a home called the Lynn, built by Lennar. It is right there. This home does feature just over 1,900 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and 2 stories on a very nice sized lot. It is just over $460K, but it is Lennar. You know it includes everything. And just like I said in my previous Lennar video, which I'll link in the card right there, everything is included. In that video, I go over what everything included means for Lennar. Also, make sure you stick around for this full video because I'll be doing my best to go over all the features located right here in the northern part of Summerlin. So let's get this tour started and get that information rolling. Come on. All right, everybody, welcome back out to the Westcott Community built by Lennar Homes. Today we are looking at the Lynn model. You'll see the vitals popping up on the screen here in just a second. This home does feature 1,901 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 stories, 2-car garage, covered patio, starting at $461,990 at the time of this filming. This home does feature the pavers on the driveway. You'll get that included, as well as the front landscaping. And you'll also have a choice of a few different elevations. You got the A, the B, and the C. The rock on the respective elevation will be included as well. We get some really nice coach lights out front as well. I really like how they did the sidewalk out here. Make sure you guys stick around till later in this video. I'm going to be going over a lot of the amenities right here in Summerlin. I'm going to be focusing a little bit on downtown Summerlin as kind of a focal point here. Come up to the front door now. That Ring doorbell is included. As you can see, we're entering the Lynn. Let's go ahead, head on inside. Alrighty guys, welcome inside of the Lynn. Right as you come in, you're greeted into a nice entryway. You have the stairway to the right. The railing will be mission style and it will be included. Really nice vaulted ceiling there. And you'll come into the great room here. This living room is about 14'6" by 14'8", and the small dining room there, you're going to get 7'6" by 6'8". Real nice open space in the great room here. The flooring in this home, in the wet areas and the entry, you'll get a 17 by 17 inch ceramic tile. The rest of the home will be a mohawk carpeting with a really nice padding underneath. In addition to that carpeting, you're going to get, it looks like about a 3-inch molding around the base. Real nice shelving that they put in there with some reclaimed wood. Very beautiful. The ceilings in this home are about 9 feet. You're going to also get the flat screen hookup on the wall there, as well as the pre-wire for the television and the ceiling fan. Real nice entry into the backyard there. Little small upgrade here. Well, I guess not small, but you're going to get the engineered slider there. That is an upgrade. As well as the backsplash, you'll notice that there. In the kitchen, you're going to get a stainless steel appliance package from GE. You're also going to get 42-inch raised panel maple cabinetry with a finish and a crown molding to your liking. There's going to be a undermount sink with a garbage disposal, as well as a Moen faucet. You're actually going to get a water filtration system from Connecticut in this home, and as well as the granite countertops. I really love the counter of these granite countertops. It has a really nice feel. Gives a nice clean area. The backsplash will be a 4-inch matching backsplash to the granite that you choose. So that said, the granite in this kitchen is an upgrade. This particular home has a really nice amount of counter space. I love how they have that back counter space towards the backyard with that window there. There's a half bathroom here, decorated this nice and dark. I really like that. And the pantry. Real nice sized pantry. You can put a lot of food in there. And just to the right there will be the entry into the 2-bay garage. The garage will have a 50-gallon high-efficiency water heater. You're also going to get a pre-wire for the electric hybrid vehicle charging station. Really nice feature to have. Oh, and with the appliances too, you're actually going to get the double oven, which is really nice to have. Really love it around the holidays when you're having all the family and guests over. Keep that food nice and warm for them once dinner is ready. Go ahead and head on upstairs now. There we go. And a couple other features about this home as we're coming upstairs. You're going to get termite protection built into the home, as well as pest control into the walls, and it makes it really easy for the exterminator to protect your home. Also, one thing that I see in this home that is a real benefit, you actually get the faux wood blinds throughout the entire home. That's already included. Beautiful feature to have. Here we are in the first bedroom here. This bedroom is about 10 by 4 by 12 foot 4. Then the bathroom here just to the left, and a linen closet. And a linen closet just to the right here, as well as a full bathroom to the left here. This will be a standard size vanity meant more for children. Has a shower tub combo with the fiberglass. Here's the next bedroom. This bedroom is 10 foot 4 by 12 foot 8. Many of the upgrades that you're seeing in this home can be chosen at the design studio. Most of them are already included, but you'll notice how some of the rooms have different color paint. That would be an upgrade as well. There's a laundry room. It'll come with the shelving there. You could upgrade to cabinetry if you choose to. And finally, coming down the hall into the master suite. This is a real nice master suite. It's 13 foot 4 by 17 foot 3. You'll have a covered patio that's included out back with this balcony. We'll go out there in just a few moments once we finish up in the master bathroom and the walk-in closet. Again, keep in mind that this area up here will be carpeted with the exception of the wet areas. So the bathrooms and the laundry room upstairs will be tiled with that 17 by 17 inch ceramic tile unless you choose to upgrade at the design studio. Coming into the master bathroom here, you'll see the powder room to the right with the dual flush toilet. You have a real nice sized linen closet just to the left here. Lots of room for sheets and towels, whatever you need to put, extra storage for extra bathroom stuff. Real nice size walk-in here, ladies. You're gonna love that, aren't you? Got a dual vanity there that is adult size, about an inch taller than the other bathroom upstairs, as well as the separate shower and tub. Nice touch, they put the rain glass on the window there, keeps it nice and private. And then let's go ahead and head out the back over here. Check out this view. And welcome out to the patio. This particular home has a really nice view of the Las Vegas Valley, as well as the mountains to the right. Keep in mind that this home is a 2-story home, and all the other homes in this community are 2-story as well. It cannot be guaranteed that you're going to get this view. It would totally depend on your lot. As you can see the lots straight ahead right there, those overlook that park. Chances are those are going to have a really nice view. This particular house right here overlooks that street, so yep, you're going to get that view. However, those houses just down the way there, they're not going to get that view because they back up to another home. This home was built out with a pool in the backyard. That will not be included. That is an upgrade, and I'm sure they have a pool service come in and do that. All right, guys, so now we're going to talk about the amenities of Summerlin as a whole. Next week, I'm going to be going over the parks and the trails. This week, I'm going to be going over more of the events and some of the things to do just around Summerlin altogether. The parks itself, just kind of give you a quick preview. There's over 29 plus parks in Summerlin altogether. It's over 150 miles of trails, and they're constantly adding more with the new developments. And it's going to be connected to over 2,000 miles throughout the Las Vegas Valley. And the Howard Hughes Corporation, which owns the Summerlin Masterplan community, was awarded the American Trails Developer Award from American Trails back in 2008. They were actually the first private company to ever receive this award. That'll all be coming up here in a couple weeks in the next video from this community. Some of the events around Summerlin that they do every year, they do have the Tour de Summerlin for all you cyclists out there, as well as the Summerlin Half Marathon. This year it's going to be on November 7th, so mark your calendars if you're local or if you want to come to town to attend that, you are more than welcome to come join us. They also have Green Fest, which is on Earth Day every year. Unfortunately, through COVID, they have not been having this event, so keep that in mind as it is coming up in April. Not looking too promising for this year either. Now, the next major amenity in Summerlin I'm going to talk about is downtown Summerlin. Downtown Summerlin is a fantastic area. They have offices as well as residential, shopping, and dining. This is where they host the Green Fest event every year, as well as the Festival of Arts over in October, as well as ice skating in December. They have weekly farmers markets and Fit for Mom stroller classes out on the lawn area out front. They have 34 dining options here in downtown Summerlin. They have 15 full-service restaurants such as Grape Street Cafe and Wine Bar, Public School 702, which I love, and Sushi Loca. Jennifer and I go there quite often. If you're a little bit more hungry and you want to grab something quickly, they have 13 quick service restaurants such as Capriati's. Get your sub, you get that Bobby that I'm showing on the screen. They have a Shake Shack. Everybody knows Shake Shack, fantastic burgers. They also have Skinny Fats around. Definitely highly recommend the tuna. It's from there. It's fantastic tuna in a cucumber boat. It's delicious. They have a couple coffee and tea specialty places such as Makers and Finders. If you go to Makers and Finders around the holiday season, highly recommend this peppermint mocha. It's delicious. They also have about 8 specialty restaurants. That includes, say, It's Sugar, where if you have a sugar craving, you can go there and get whatever you want. They have everything you could possibly think of. Or if you want to be a little bit more on the healthier side, they got like a nectar juice bar and go get your juice on. Really, really good stuff. If you're looking for shopping, look no further because downtown Summerlin is a place for you. They have over 125 shops to choose from, so they got a little bit of everything for everybody. They also have the Climbing Atom, which is meant for kids to kind of climb all over, discover those neutrons, protons, and get a little bit of learning experience at the same time. Just outside of downtown Summerlin, there is the Las Vegas Ballpark. If you're looking to catch a game from the Las Vegas Aviators once they get back in swing, that is a great place to visit. There's also City National Arena where the Las Vegas Golden Knights practice. They also do ice skating, which is open to the public year-round, and as well as figure skating classes, kids hockey classes, things like that. There is Red Rock Casino and Resort. So if you're looking for a little staycation, if you're from Las Vegas, if you're just coming to town, you want to save a few dollars, definitely stay out at Red Rock Resort. It's fantastic. It's a wonderful facility. They have a beautiful pool area as well as really nice restaurants, as well as Red Rock Canyon, which is just down the road, which is a 200,000 acre national conservation area with lots of hiking, day trip. You could do some rock climbing out there as well as picnicking. I would recommend a lot of the golf courses here in Las Vegas. TPC Las Vegas is fantastic. Bears Best, there's 7 public golf courses out here. There's also 3 private courses if you move out here and you want to grab a membership somewhere nice. If you're looking to get wet in the summer, since it is Las Vegas after all, and we do sometimes reach up into the 120 mark, it is definitely hot. I would highly recommend Wet n Wild. They do have annual memberships, or if you want to grab just a few tickets, but you want to save a couple bucks, you can definitely do that with them as well. If you're looking for something more like swim lessons, or you want to have a nice event, I might recommend Aquatic Springs Indoor Pool. It's a really great area. This is one big open pool. They can throw some floaties in there. You guys can have a good old time. If you're looking for a little bit more culture, the Nevada Ballet Theater is right here in Summerlin, as well as the Library and Performing Arts Center. And if you're looking for a little bit more culture and history, another place you could check out is the Warsaw Ghetto Remembrance Garden. This is at Temple Beth Shalom, which is dedicated to the occupants of World War II enclave It features the world's largest collections of stone that once paved the streets of Poland's Warsaw district. I have not been here. I intend to go here soon and learn a little bit more about these events and what happened. I think it would be very, very interesting. If you've been there, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. That was a lot to go over for Summerlin, and I barely scratched the surface, I'm sure. If we missed something, please let everybody know in the description below of what your favorite activities are to do right out here in Summerlin. Alright, YouTubers, so what did you think of this model? Did you enjoy the Lynn model and how Lennar decorated it out? Did I miss any amenities or features of the North Summerlin communities? Let us know in the comments below. I would love to start a discussion on this. If you have any questions about the communities around Las Vegas, I would love to be able to help you out. So make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me. I'd be happy to find out this information and get those questions answered. If you have any friends or family that are looking for a home like this, make sure you give me a call, get in contact with me as well. I'd be happy to help you out, get you set up with a private tour, all for yourself. If you have any recommendations for tours of homes around the Las Vegas Valley, or if you have something that you want to see on my channel of doing something around Las Vegas, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to get out there and get a video just for you. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Alrighty, YouTubers, so what did you think of this tour? Did you enjoy the Lynn model? What did you think of the decor that Lennar did? No, did I say the cure? I think I said the cure. Hilarious. Alrighty, YouTubers, so what do you think of this model? Did you enjoy the... I can't get over the cure. Oh my gosh. Alright, YouTubers, so what do you think of this tour? Did you enjoy the Lynn model? What do you think of the decor that Lennar did? I said the core again. Alright, YouTubers, so what do you think of this model? Did you enjoy what Lennar did for the decor inside this Lynn model? This Lynn model? Is my mom a model? Alright, YouTubers, so what did you think of this model? Did you enjoy this tour? What about the decor that Lennar put into this home? Decor.